welcome to funny cats, dogs videos. Yeah, we're doing this again. Because they're cute, okay? They're cute. And I'm late saying this, but I'm late with stuff sometimes, but since it's cute cat and dogs videos, funny cat and dog videos. Sadly, something happened a couple weeks ago. It shocked cat lovers everywhere. It was a mess. It was a legend. It was the most iconic legend of all time. I'm talking, of course, about Keyboard Cat. He'll be missed, but he'll still be in our hearts, and we'll be remembered for his meow. Rest in peace, easy, buddy. But we're gonna be looking at funny cat and dog videos, not depressing and sad cat and dog videos. So the first one we have angry cats. Oh my god, that was a fake cat toy, but immediately he was so upset. He broke the toy immediately and got upset. Savage cat! Bad! Savage cat! Savage cat! That was a savage cat right there. Savage cat! And it's time for a dog video. Just remember, one cat video, one dog video, another cat. We first start off with cats and then we do dogs. Start off with cats, then do dogs. Let's go to the next videos. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Everybody has hedgehogs. That's a dog and a hedgehog. Oh my god. How many people in the world have hedgehogs? So many people have the things. Those things, you know, hedgehogs. I got off topic of what we were talking about that quick. Hedgehogs. Hedgehogs. That's why I'm wearing this blue, even though it has Mario Kart on it. But still, hedgehogs. Thinking about maybe one day me, my mom, and Josh, we could go get a hedgehog or something. I don't know. We were talking about getting one. I don't know. Everyone has them though. I want to be cool. It's time for a cat video. Another one. Play it. Oh my god. When the group snuggles up is what I'm titling this. I'm gonna post it on Instagram. It's so cute. Wait. Josh told me about this story where this lady had multiple cats at once, and she would only feed them if they stole stuff. Is that her? I'm joking. I think it was like 12, 13, 14, 20 or something, but those are only 5. Yes, 5 kitties and cats. That's what was in the video, only 5 kitties. When the group snuggles up, relatable. In every video, when we hit the 5-minute mark on this, we're going to be looking at pictures for 2 minutes until it gets to 7 minutes. So, good cat, dog pictures now. It's time for cute cat and dog pictures. Oh my god, I thought those were two cats and dogs, but no. It's a rabbit, it's a hamster, a cat, and a dog. They all look cute and all. They really do. They look cute together. I love it. They're so cute. So cute, I could squeeze the tiny little faces off. Oh my god. Wow. Almost fell down and broke my neck. But hey, at least I'm okay. 29 cute animals that use dogs as pillows. Oh my god! That cat is using the dog as the pillow. I know, you guys look very cute together, but please be nice to the dog. My camera won't zoom in. There's something wrong with it. Did I turn it off or something? What happened? I don't know, but all I can tell you is that uh-oh. How do I say this without you guys getting mad at me in a negative way? It's time for more good cat and dog videos. Picture time is done. We looked at them. We found a cute hamster, a cute rabbit, and then there were two cats and dogs. We had a cat using dog as a pillow. But now, it's time for our number one pick. And the top 10 cutest animals of all time are me. Yeah, me. I'm joking. Every animal's cute, but I'm not an animal. I'm a crazy animal. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was a funny one. All of them were funny, and I'll give them. I'm gonna do the total cute bonus thing at the end of like how much cute stuff it gets, how much cuteness it has, how much cuteness it has. I'll tell you the total of every video at the end, so stay tuned. Oh my god. Ooh. 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 I'm bad at woofing. Woof. 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 Like a wolf. Yeah, that was a cute video. I liked it. I liked the video that you guys did. That was a good video that was made by you guys. Thanks for making that intro, µ, which is... Do you get it? Because it's me. That video is cute though. 100,000 thumbs up. Oh my god, I've seen these before. So cute. What's the monkey doing now? I've never seen a monkey do that before. Oh my god. so funny. It's very funny when you see that stuff. It just really is. They're very cute. And that is, wait, that's not all for today. We have time for one more video. Ba, 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 ba. Oh my God. What happened? Oh God. Oh God. That cat isn't playing. He doesn't like it. Be nice to the cat, dog. Okay. That is another those videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. If you did like it, leave a big like. That's all. And I'll see you guys in the next. I'll see you guys in the next